What my drink at? I'm thirsty than a bitch. Let me get my tacos for it burn. Oh, I think she making mine too. Is she? Oh yeah, I think she is. Right here. Let me try to go around that. Yeah.
You know that's the resident.
Oh, damn, this that whole ass security. I can't make it without him. Damn, man. I just need my little drink. Oh, I see it. It's finished. Oh, yeah, they getting me tipped in. Oh, that's me. Oh, let me see. Jessica got it. Jessica got it. Oh,
hey, we gotta put a pause on the tacos. Y'all have to clear out. You guys can come back and get your tacos.
He said he gonna give all y'all money back. He gonna give all y'all money back. Come on, y'all. Come on, let's go. Here I am, miss. Miss, I'm right here. Hey.
Hey, guys,
God damn, she can't see them.
Look, you guys are gonna be able to come back.
Okay, I'm gonna come back.
Make sure
that the bomb gone. Here I am, man.
Keep your order with the tickets, man. They're gonna come back and get your food, man. I got you, man.
Oh, that's mine, man. Gracias. Okay, I can go now. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna leave now before they start some shit with me. You know, I seen old dude kept looking at me any goddamn. Well, goddamn, quit looking at me. All these motherfuckers to look at, he can see me. Hey. Ooh, shit. Oh, the corn. Damn, I ain't get to get the... She ain't make that corn. I ain't going back. I'm gonna have to go to goddamn me. Huh? What's up with it, man? Oh, yeah.
If y'all know Trent with the little red car.
Yeah.
The little red, what is that, third gen?
Third
gen, yeah. Tell his dad I'm looking for him. Tell him I need him to call me at 469-790-7491.
Yeah.
The Trent dad, the transmission man.
Yeah.
I need
Flying Low said he looking for you too. On that bet y'all made.
What bet?
OG Larry versus Blackjack with what you call it driving. Y'all better hunt it.
Nah.
He said y'all better. It's on camera and everything.
Yeah, they better show me on camera.
Yeah.
I said he showed me on camera. I'ma pay him. I promise to God.
Yeah.
I know Flying Low. I don't remember, but
yeah.
If he showed me on camera, I'm gonna give him 100.
Yeah, that's what he. Yeah. Bet. He said you show him on. They ain't letting us eat. They made us leave the motherfucker. I want some tacos bad than the motherfucker. They talking about y'all can come back, man. Nigga ain't come back to this motherfucker. I got you next time anyway. Yeah, tacos on me whenever. Oh shit, some outlaws came. Yeah, I need to get out of here. Shit. Okay, make sure y'all like. Well, hell, I ain't gonna leave yet. I'm gonna put y'all in the window in case some shit go down. Y'all can see. No, I don't want no problem. Need to tighten that mount up. Look out.
100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 1
laws, y'all. I say I'm scared of these. I say I'm scared of these laws, y'all. I'm scared of these laws. Ooh, y'all. I'm scared of these laws. It's a setup. You better put your bets up. Cause I'm scared of these laws, y'all. I don't even wanna go that way. I know they don't like me, y'all, and I know that they don't play. I'm scared of them laws, y'all. I'm scared of them laws. I say I'm scared of them laws, y'all. I'm scared of them laws. They'll try to take it down. They'll come to your track. They'll tell y'all to leave. Your tacos, that shit whack. That's why I'm scared of them laws,